What to do the first 2 weeks after a parent dies. If you just lost a parent, first off, I'm sorry. And if you're the one that has to handle everything, you're probably staring at a pile of questions. What do I do first? What's urgent? What can wait? I'm Rilus, an estate attorney here in Arizona, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what to do in the first 2 weeks after a parent passes, and just as important, what not to rush. Here's the good news. Almost nothing on this list has to happen today. First, take a breath. The legal clock is slower than grief makes it feel. Most things people panic about in week 1 are not actually time sensitive. Grieve first. The paperwork can wait a few days. Second, secure the home, the pets, and the valuables. Lock up the house, secure valuables and important papers, take care of pets and perishables, and forward the mail. And don't let well-meaning relatives start taking keepsakes yet. Third, find the estate planning documents. Look for a trust and a will. Check the home safe, a filing cabinet, a safety deposit box, or the attorney who drafted them. Having the documents in hand tells you the plan your parents set up, and it points you to the next step. Fourth, figure out who's actually in charge. This determines everything that follows. If there's a trust, the successor trustee steps in. If there's only a will, an executor or personal representative is appointed through probate. If there's nothing, state law decides. You need to know which one is you. Fifth, locate the asset information and pay attention to how things are titled. Start building a picture of what your parent owned: bank and investment accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance, real estate, vehicles. You don't have to act on any of it yet, just find the statements. And here's the part most people miss. Pay attention to how each asset is titled. Is it in the trust, owned jointly? Does it name a beneficiary? How something is titled often decides whether it even goes through probate. Make a simple list and note the titling next to each item. 6. Order certified death certificates. More than you think. Once you start dealing with those accounts, you'll need certified copies for banks, title companies, insurance, and retirement. Order at least 10, and they need to be certified copies, not photocopies. The funeral home usually helps with this, or your county vital records office. 7th, do not distribute anything and do not pay any debts out of your own pocket. Not yet. The most expensive early mistakes are handing out money or belongings, paying creditors personally, or transferring titles before you know the rules. Debts get paid from the estate in a legal order, not by you and not first come, first served. 8th, notify the essentials, but don't mass notify. Notify Social Security, the funeral home often does this, and any pension or employer. Hold off on the wider round of bank and account notifications until you know your role and have a plan. Calling 15 institutions before you have authority just creates dead ends. And 9th, get advice before you act. A short conversation tells you which path you're on: trust administration, probate, or a small estate affidavit. And it tells you what, if anything, is actually urgent. That one call can save you months and real money. Losing a parent is hard enough without feeling lost in the paperwork, and you don't have to figure this out alone. If you're in Arizona or California and you're dealing with a parent's trust or estate, reach out. You can call us anytime at 480-470-1422. Our virtual assistant, Grace, can take down your situation 24/7, and a real person from our team will follow up to help you figure out your next step. I'm Rilus with Rilus Law. Take care of yourself, and we're here when you're ready.